Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can test headphone mic on your laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So here you can see in this headphone currently the mic is available just like this. In order to test the microphone on your headphone, you have to make sure that this kind of mic is available on your headphone. So after making sure that this mic is available, you have to connect your headphone to your laptop. And after connecting it, now what we're going to do is put this on your head. And after doing that, on the search bar right here, you can start typing recorder. We're going to go to search bar and then start typing recorder. Here you can see this is the sound recorder, and all we have to do is simply click on this open and open this application. So after opening this sound recorder, now we're going to record our sound in order to test our mic. So in order to record it, all you have to do is click on this record button that you can see right here. So we're going to click on it just like this. And after doing that, here you can see it says we don't have the access to your microphone. So we're going to get the access. So there can be a pop-up of simply allow. So you can click on allow and allow your laptop to record it. Right now here you can see in my settings, there is no access. So we're going to click on this option settings right here. And here you can see this pop-up will arise. And all you have to do is click on yes in order to get the access. Then here you can see we are on the settings of our microphone, and in here you can see the toggle button is currently turned off. All you have to do is click on it in order to turn on just like this. So after doing that, you can simply close this tab, and here you can see we are on the recording application again, and in here you can see there is this option right here. You're going to click on this arrow right here and make sure that headphone is selected. If it is selected on this microphone array by default, you will have to select your headset just like this. So after doing that, all you have to do is click on this record button one more time. And after doing that, here you can see now my voice is being recorded through my headphone mic. And when you are done recording it, you can simply click on this pause button that you can see right here, and it will stop the recording. And after doing that, here you can see our recording has successfully been saved to your laptop. And if you want to share it, you can click on this button that you can see right here in order to share it right here. And through your mail, WhatsApp, and other applications, you can share this voice recording to anyone that you like. So if you want to just delete this recording, you can even click on this three-dot bar that you can see right here. So we're going to click on this bar, and here you can see there is the option of delete. So you can simply click on it and delete this recording, or if you want to rename it, you can click on rename and rename this recording. And if you want to see it in a folder, you can also click on see in folder. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can test headphone mic on a laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.